Section 1. Introduction to HTML5 APIs. HTML5, the cornerstone of modern web development, is much more than just a markup language for structuring web content. It's a powerful platform equipped with a rich set of application programming interfaces, or APIs, that empower developers to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. These APIs act as bridges, connecting your web pages to a treasure trove of functionalities offered by the user's web browser and device. Think of APIs as sets of tools, each designed to perform a specific task. For instance, the Geolocation API allows you to pinpoint the user's location, opening up a world of possibilities for location-based services. Similarly, the Web Storage API provides a mechanism to store data locally on the user's computer, enabling features like offline browsing and persistent user preferences. Another noteworthy API is the Drag and Drop API. This API, as its name suggests, facilitates the creation of interactive elements that users can drag and drop within the web page. This can significantly enhance the user experience in applications requiring intuitive object manipulation, such as online image editors or project management tools. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve deeper into each of these APIs, exploring their capabilities and how you can leverage them to build engaging and user-friendly web applications. Section 2. The Power of Geolocation. Imagine you're building a website for a local restaurant. Wouldn't it be incredible if, with a single click, your users could see their location on a map, alongside directions to the nearest branch? That's the power of the Geolocation API. With a few lines of JavaScript code, you can request the user's location with their permission, of course, and use it to provide highly relevant and personalized experiences. The method is your gateway to the user's location. This method returns a position object containing latitude and longitude coordinates, pinpointing the user's location on the globe. You can then use this data to display their location on a map, calculate distances, or even tailor the website's content based on their region. However, it's crucial to remember that user privacy is paramount. Always request permission before accessing their location, clearly explaining how you intend to use this information. A well-designed website should also provide alternative options for users who decline to share their location. Section 3. Local storage and session storage, remembering user data. In the early days of the web, every interaction with a website was like starting afresh. Each page load felt like entering a shop where the shopkeeper had no memory of your previous visits or purchases. Then came cookies, a way to store small pieces of information on the user's computer. While useful, cookies had limitations, prompting the need for more robust storage mechanisms. Enter local storage and session storage, two powerful APIs that allow you to store data locally within the user's browser. Local storage, as the name implies, provides persistent storage. Data stored using local storage remains available even after the browser window is closed, allowing you to preserve user preferences, shopping cart contents, or even offline data. Session storage, on the other hand, offers a temporary storage solution. Data stored using session storage is only available within the current browser session. Once the user closes the browser window or tab, the data is cleared. This makes session storage ideal for storing transient data, such as the current state of a multi-step form or the contents of a shopping cart during checkout. Both local storage and session storage are simple to use. You can store data using the method, retrieve data using the method, and remove data using the method. Section 4. Drag and Drop, Enriching User Interaction. Remember the days when interacting with a computer interface felt like learning a new language? Thankfully, those days are long gone, replaced by intuitive interfaces that mimic real-world interactions. One such interaction is dragging and dropping, an action so natural that even toddlers can master it. The Drag and Drop API in HTML5 brings this intuitive interaction to the web. It allows you to create elements that users can drag and drop within the web page, making your applications more engaging and user-friendly. Imagine building an online image editor where users can drag and drop images onto a canvas, or a to-do list application where users can rearrange tasks with a simple drag and drop. To enable drag and drop, you first need to make an element draggable by setting the attribute to true. You can then listen for drag events, such as And these events allow you to control every aspect of the drag and drop interaction, from the data being transferred to the visual feedback provided to the user. The drag and drop API is not just about moving elements around, it's about creating intuitive and engaging user experiences. By incorporating drag and drop into your web applications, you can make them more enjoyable and efficient to use. Section 5. Accessibility, the heart of inclusive design. In the tapestry of human experience, diversity is the thread that weaves a vibrant and intricate pattern. People perceive and interact with the world in myriad ways, shaped by their abilities, preferences, and circumstances. As web developers, it's our moral imperative to ensure that the digital landscapes we create are accessible to everyone, regardless of their physical or cognitive abilities. Web accessibility at its core is about removing barriers that prevent people with disabilities from accessing and interacting with websites. This includes individuals with visual impairments, hearing impairments, motor impairments, cognitive disabilities, and more. By designing and developing websites with accessibility in mind, we create a more inclusive online world where everyone can participate and contribute. Imagine a world where a blind person can effortlessly navigate your website using a screen reader, where a person with low vision can adjust the text size to their liking, or where a person with motor impairments can interact with your website using only a keyboard. This is the promise of web accessibility.